Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 2. Today I'm going to be recreating a manicure that I did in a Nailmas past. That is like one of the most popular pins on Pinterest of mine. It's a Dotticure, which is super easy, and we're going to utilize some newish polishes, so I'm really excited to be recreating it, and I think you guys will like it. It's super easy. All you're going to need is some festive polishes and a dotting tool. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and apply, of course, a base coat, and then you want to put on your base color, which for me is going to be a white polish. I am using Nails Ink Whiteout. I'm getting towards the end of the bottle, which is why it looks a little kind of but it's like a really good white, and it's really good full coverage, and the brush is amazing, so I love using it because the brush is very important. But I did 2 coats of that, and then of course with magic on the camera of dry time being so much quicker than it is in real life, we're going to move quickly on to the next step. So the next step is going to be using a dotting tool for various different polishes, and I'm just going to be using one dual-ended dotting tool for the most part. It needs to be kind of a medium-sized dotting tool. And I'm going to start by doing an evergreen shade. And for this exact shade, I am using the new Zoya shade called Regina. It was in their kind of Christmassy holiday collection. And I'm going to do 3 dots. You guys can see that they kind of have a little bit of order going on here. And I just liked the 3 dots to start with because it kind of gave me like points to kind of work from. Then I'm going to go in with a light green, and this was also from the new Zoya collection, and this one is called Eunice, and I'm kind of putting in smaller dots, well, kind of actually mixing up the sizes of the dots, and I'm kind of just putting them everywhere. No real pattern or method to this. I did not count them by any means. The only ones that I really counted and spaced out properly were the big dark green ones, so there were 3, and they were big and they were dark. And that kind of gave us the base to work off of. But for the light green, I did a various amount of shapes and sizes. Not shapes, but sizes. Then the next shade that I'm going to pull out is going to be... what is it going to be? It's a red. So I went ahead and used Soko, which is a new Zoya red. It has a bit more orange in it than your traditional red, so I mean, I would probably use Suki if I were actually going to wear it, like the manicure, for any longer extended amount of time, because I prefer Suki, but this one does have an orange-ish tone to it. However, next to the greens, you can't really tell, so that's really nice. Okay, then after I am done with the red, and as you guys can see, again, no method to how many dots I did for the red, and I did various sizes of those dots. I then went in with a sparkly polish. I felt like we needed some extra sparkle, so I'm using Poetry Cowgirl nail polish in the shade 24 Carats, which this is actually just a golden holographic glitter topper, so it's not like super intense when I put it on, but it just gives me a dash of sparkle on the nails. And I've just kind of created a gradation starting from my cuticle going down towards the tip of my nail, and that is it. You want to let it dry fully, trust me, let it dry fully, and then when you do put on top coat, float it over the nail, because the reds have a tendency to kind of want to pull with your top coat brush. So float the brush on top of your nail and wait for them to be 100% dry. I was having really big issues with that when I did this manicure for some reason, so yeah, don't make that mistake, be careful, and then you'll have this nice fun manicure and you can accent it however you would like. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!